Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain the 8 factors you should consider before purchasing a dedicated server.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now, back to the video.
The first factor you should consider is whether your dedicated server provider is giving the best operating system. If you have an open source system, you should choose Linux dedicated server. Otherwise, you should choose Windows dedicated server. Next, you should see your hardware requirements such as RAM, CPU and storage. Then, you should check your bandwidth allocation. If your website handles a large quantity of traffic every day, you must check that before purchasing your dedicated server. Another factor, this is one of the most important, is you must check whether you need a managed dedicated server or unmanaged dedicated server. I must say, you must choose a managed dedicated server, as in this case, a technical team will be responsible in handling your server. The fifth point you should see is what kind of business you have. Is it a small business or a large business or an e-commerce business? After that, you proceed in purchasing your dedicated server. Then you must see your budget before proceeding in purchasing your dedicated server. The seventh point you must see is whether the dedicated server provider has a 24/7 technical team who will handle your requests in case you face any problem. The last point you should see is whether your dedicated server provider gives the best control panel. This can be cPanel or Plesk. This is important because it will help your website's customers in smooth browsing. So, what are you waiting for? Send an email to sales@hostingultra.com and order your preferred dedicated server today.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help, contact us. sales@hostingultraso.com.